Here's a Robertshaw Pro thermostat at my brother's apartment and controls the 1988 2.5 ton carrier. It's a Robertshaw. And it controls the gas furnace, carrier gas furnace. 65 degrees here. Set into 73. Setting. I'll leave it at 75. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, or no, 8 o'clock in the morning. Just woke up. Here's the gas furnace. There's another 2 logos. This one's from 1987. And here's the 2002 Whirlpool food refrigerator and drink refrigerator. No, food and drink refrigerator. And it works great. Yeah, Danimals Crunchers, Danimal Smoothies. Have some milk or Arizona Diet Green Tea. And carrots or something like that. I don't know what this is. Let's go to the top refrigerator. It's only chicken strips. There's only chicken strips in there, but not ice cream. But that's it. And there, it's blinking. It's blinking. System's off. And it's an auto. Everything's off, even if it's blinking. All right, it's not blinking anymore. Here's the return. And the other return. There used to be another return up here. And then I'll put one 2.5 by supply, I think, right here. All you hear is the TV. There's the AC unit. That's it. Oh, this house is so insane. We are at Margarita Summit. It's cold out there. It's a cold morning. That's my brother's car there. Right there. The silver one. And my brothers, they went to work already. Where's the other return? Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.